Yeah. Thank you. Recording in progress. So let's go for a 30-second meditation once again. There's a new class, new chapter. Take off your specs, close your eyes, fold your hands, and concentrate on Almighty God and express your thanks and gratitude for everything you have got in life. Take your parents' blessing by touching their feet mentally. Feel that all positive energy entering your mind and becoming stronger. Whatever you discussed today, we shall remember forever. Rub your hands. Touch your eyeballs, touch your cheeks, and open a gentle smile. So that was a 30-second meditation. It helps to concentrate more and it helps to increase your concentration power. So dear students, thank you very much. Today, I shall be talking with Chirag. पहले चिराग बात करेगा मुझसे. चिराग, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो चिराग, आज का टॉपिक क्या है, तुम थोड़ा बता दो. पढ़ो.
Fundamental of taxation.
टॉपिक का नाम क्या है?
Income from other source.
Yes, because there are 5 heads of income. We have already completed 4. We know income from salary, little bit you have know. We know house property, we know. Then capital gains, business profession, these you have understood. But there may be some income which doesn't come under any other head, any of the following other heads. Like it is not coming under salary, not coming under house property, not under business profession, nor capital gains. So usko idhar dal do, other sources. तो आज का क्लास का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, चिराग बताएगा. व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ टुडे क्लास? स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन द मीनिंग ऑफ इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेस आज का क्लास के बाद में. फिर
By the of this lecture, student will able to explain the meaning of income from other source, understand when income is taxable under this head, identify common type of income includes under this head, distinguish income from other source from the other four head of income, compute simple income under this head, solve basic numerical problem.
okay, so these things we are going to cover up now. And Sabita, Sabita is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please talk to me. Sabita, तुम थोड़ा
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन क्या मुझे कुछ पूछा, क्वेश्चन थोड़ा बताओ तो. थोड़ा क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है मैंने सर? क्वेश्चन.
If you earn interest from your bank saving account under which is head is it tax?
This types of income. You have got some deposit in bank and bank has given you interest. That interest is your income. But can you say it is your salary? No, because there is no employer-employee relation. Is it house property? No, not connected. Is it business? Not connected. Is it profession? No. Is it capital gains? No, because there's no capital asset, no transfer, nothing. So this को रख दो other source. So, next one.
If you win a lottery, where will that income be taxed?
वो चारों में तो नहीं जाएगा, पहले वाला चारों में कभी नहीं जाएगा लॉटरी का इनकम. दिस विल कम अंडर अदर हेड्स, अदर सोर्सेज. नेक्स्ट.
If you receive dividend income from shares, under which head will it be taxed?
So you have got dividend income, you have purchased shares of a company and you go receive profit from the company, that is known as dividend. ये तो नहीं जाएगा ना किसी और में. This will be going only in the head income from other sources. Very nice.
Other source.
Now income from other sources के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ सविता.
The Income Tax Act classify into 5 heads. Sometimes an income does not fall under salary, house property, business or profession, or capital gain. Such income is generally taxed under the head income from other sources.
Perfect. Knowledge clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear. No doubt, nothing else. With this knowledge, we shall go ahead. Now, हमारा बीच में है श्रीमती अनुभूति. अनुभूति, तुम बताओ ये सब थोड़ा सा बताओ यहाँ तक 5 हेड के बारे में बताओ.
So, the 5 heads of income. Head of income. Example, salary. Salary received by an employee. House property, rent from a house. Business or profession, profit from a business. Capital gains, profit on sale of land or shares. other sources, interest, dividend, lottery winnings, etc.
So we again क्योंकि हम लोग का चैप्टर खत्म होने वाला है. And dear students, please remember the thing that I have taught you 5 heads, and in the new Act of Income Tax 2025, these 5 heads are same to same. Sections are changed. So if I now take you to the new Act, then it is not that you have to learn again these things. These things I have clarified. You have seen the same things will be there, but the process, sections and process of calculation may be little difference. That's what we still going to learn. So thank you, Anubhuti. We have again seen the 5 heads. And Ankita, तुम बताओ income from other source का meaning बताओ. Again, Ankita.
Yes, sir. Income from other sources is the residual head of income. This means if an income cannot be taxed under any of the first 4 heads, it is generally taxed under income from other sources.
No problem. So तुम ही फिर बताओ income from other source का heading में क्या क्या आ सकता है? Some item.
Interest income. Interest received from savings bank account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, post office deposit, loans given to others.
So interest totally
Example.
comes under other sources, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Interest comes under other sources.
Yes,
Then
sir.
give some more examples.
Example, interest on fixed deposit, rupees 18,000, taxable under income from other sources.
Okay, so it is clear. One heading is clear, and next heading Sumitra will be explaining next example of income from other sources. It's totally different. So तुम समझाओ Sumitra. Income from other sources. One more example. तुम थोड़ा समझाओ 1 minute. सुमित्रा कहाँ भाग गई? अच्छा, कौशिक, please explain another example of income from other sources. Back to Vipana.
Dividend income. Dividend received from shares or mutual fund is generally taxable according to the provisions of the Income Tax Act. Example, dividend received is equal to 12,000 taxable under this head.
If you remember these points, then when we'll be doing the problems, it will be एकदम मक्खन जैसे easy लगेगा तुम्हारा. बहुत easy हो जाएगा. That's why I'm doing this way. And बहुत easy लग रहा है सब. बहुत easy लग रहा है. But if you don't understand, बहुत ही tough हो जाएगा. Anup Dash is there. Anup. Everybody should be readily responding to my call. Okay, Rinki. Another example of income from other sources. Rinki.
Yes, sir.
समझाओ. Example.
Lottery winnings, income from lottery, lucky draw, crossword puzzle, quiz competition, game shows is taxable. For example, lottery prize equal to rupees 5 lakhs, then taxable under income from other sources.
So these are coming under, lottery income is coming under income from other sources. Very good, Rinki. Now, Anup Dash is there. Anup? এই তো প্রবলেম, তার মানে মোর রেসপন্ড না করে তো নাই, অনলাইনে ফাঁকি মারবে পারে। ওকে, সঙ্গীতা ঠাকুরিয়া।
Yes, sir.
Please explain one more income from other sources, number 4. Explain करो उसको. Read.
Gift, basic concept. Certain gift received without consideration may be taxable if they exceed the prescribed limits and are not covered by specific exemption under the Income Tax Act. For this introductory course, explain only the
So
basic
there's a
idea.
basic idea need that some gifts, suppose कुछ भी gift तुमको मिल गया, that will not taxable. But if you receive a gift up and beyond the prescribed limit, as per Act, there's a limit. Suppose if you receive gift more than 10,000, then excess will be taxable. So that will be taxable under income from other sources. But all gifts are not taxable. Certain gifts received without consideration. You have received some gift and there is consideration, means no exchange. You have received some gift, but you have not given anything in exchange. You have received a building from someone and you giving 20 lakh, that is not gift. but you have received a building from someone without paying anything. That will be gift. So there taxable it will be coming. So these are the things. And so prescribed limit not covered under specific exemptions. Certain gifts are there, there is specific exemptions are there. There is no tax. But the gifts which are not covered by specific exemptions, then tax will be there. So these things we are going to learn. Have a preliminary, at the introductory class, we have to stick to this much only. You understand this. Now, Sangeeta Thakuria, one more example, 5 number tum batao.
Family pension. Family pension received by the legal heir after the death of an employee is generally taxable under income from other source, subject to the reduction allowed under the Act.
Yes, suppose one person has expired and one person suppose that person is working and working life is khatam ho gaya, then he gets pension. After he is retired, the person gets pension. But while getting the pension, the person died. So his wife will be getting the pension. So wife is not getting the pension by working anywhere. That is family pension. Pension is like salary. When a person receives his own pension, his pension income will be salary. But suppose the person is not there, his wife is getting. So that pension will not be treated as salary because his wife is getting the pension without working anywhere. Is not it? Sangeeta?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that pension will be coming under income from other sources. There may be some deduction, this is different thing, but that is known as family pension. That will be coming under income from other sources.
Sir.
Understood? Yes.
सर फैमिली का इनहेरिटेंस अगर मिलता है तो वो भी आएगा क्या?
That depends on the
Family-
particular case. This is I'm talking about pension, but other things, it depends on the particular case. That I told you regarding gift and suppose donation and other transfer, these things are there. One person has property, then after him, another person gets it. There are specific laws. In every case, there is no taxation. It depends on the particular case. So those things actually I am not taking here because the preliminary is foundation level, but that will be coming in the higher stages. You have to deal with those things. Sangeeta, next item batao.
Interest on income tax refund. If the income tax department pays interest on a tax refund, it is generally taxable under this head.
That means, suppose you.
Example of.
Bolo.
Example of income from other sources.
Sangeeta, isko baad mein lo. Let me explain number 6.
Okay, sir.
Suppose you have already paid, TDS tax, deducted source, then advance tax. You have already paid tax. Suppose 5 lakh rupees you have paid as tax, and then in the assessment year you have submitted your income tax return, and then your tax is calculated as 4 lakh. But you had paid 5 lakh. Tax you paid 5 lakh, but later on when in the actual calculation, you found your tax is becoming 4 lakh. So that 1 lakh, you have to get it back from the income tax department. That is known as refund. First point, that is known as income tax refund. Now, when you do not pay income tax, you pay income tax late, then government takes interest from you. Similarly, when government refunds you the excess tax late, then government should give you interest. You understood this? You had paid 5 lakh, but your tax is actually 4 lakh. So 1 lakh income tax you have paid more. When you paid, it was not calculated. And now after calculation, you have seen you have paid more money, 1 lakh. And this money, government should immediately give you back. But government was late in returning this money. Government patapat wapas nahi kiya money. So there was some late. So for that late, government gave you some interest on income tax refund. That is your income. That interest is also your income. That will be coming under income from other sources. कैसा लगा? संगीता, कैसा लगा? Idea?
अच्छा लगा.
समझ गया?
अच्छा लगा.
Sangeeta has
Yes,
attended
sir.
class today first time?
No, sir.
You attending?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Offline, I have never found you or found?
सर मंडे से जाऊंगी
Okay.
सर कल
You,
से
you've joined me only online, right?
यस सर
Okay, no issue. Now, Sangeeta, you explain me these examples of other sources income, please.
Example of income from other sources. Income, saving bank interest, taxable under other source, yes.
Yes.
Income, fixed deposit interest, taxable under other source, yes. Income, lottery winnings, taxable under other source, yes. Income, dividend, taxable under other source, yes. Income, family pension, taxable under other source, yes. Income, salary, taxable under other source, no. Income, house rent, taxable under other source, no. Income, business profit, taxable under other source, no.
कैसा लगा संगीता ठाकुरिया?
सर अच्छा लगा
एकदम clear. I have not written too many sentences. I've given it very, just at a glance you can remember these things. That's why I've given it. इस style में. Because my here purpose is not to give you long notes and making you commit to memory all. My intention is make the point clear, concept clear. And concept clear in any way how I can do, I'm doing it. Just तुम्हारे brain में घुसाना है बस. That's what I'm doing. Now, big notes, if you read on this thing, you'll not understand. You have to read those also in the books, or you have to read. This is a different thing. But here, my concept is very short time, short में कैसे घुसाना है. That's what I'm doing it. So, hope you are very happy with these examples. It's clear at a glance, you can understand. Jyotiraditya, I'm searching and I'm not getting. Sumitra, I'm not getting her. Sumitra.
Yes, sir.
Acha, Jyotiraditya, from income from other source also, there are some deductions. Please tell me, explain.
Sir, I am here to.
Okay, Sumitra, next time. Jyotira.
Explain basic deductions. Explain that in some cases, expenses incurred to earn income under this head may be allowed as deductions, depending on the provisions of the Income Tax Act. Examples: commission paid for collecting interest were permitted. Certain deductions from family pension is provided under the Act.
That means whatever interest you collect from any source, it may be, you've seen, they've read that interest may be from any sources, fixed deposit, saving deposit, income tax refund, anywhere, interest may be there. Now, when you collect this interest, there may be some expenses of commission. So those commission expenses should be deducted from interest and rest will be taxable. Similarly, you have understood what is family pension, but for getting the family pension, I know some expenses were incurred maybe, and they should be as per law. Those expenses have to be deducted from family pension and rest will be taxable. So this is the thing. Now Sumitra kaha gaya? Sumitra will explain basic computation, income from other source computation. Sumitra.
Yes, sir. Basic computation, simple format, income from other sources, less, allowable deduction if any. Taxable income from other sources.
हो गया काम? Very simple to understand. So small we have given the formula. Income from other sources, you take it, and if there is any deduction which is allowed by the income tax, you deduct, and rest is income from other sources, you have to pay tax on that. You have to pay tax on that. Sumitra, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bhargav का voice बहुत दिन सुना नहीं. Bhargav, you explain these practical questions.
सर वो नहीं है
Eh?
सर भार्गव पास नहीं है
But Bhargav has joined. Bhargav Talukdar I've seen. Here I can see.
ओ सर है
भार्गव, ये भार्गव रोटी खाने भाग गया. Muskan, problem number 1, please explain this.
Okay, sir. Problem number 1, Mr. Arun received saving bank interest rupees 8,000, fixed deposit interest rupees 20,000, and dividend equals to rupees 12,000. Calculate his income from other sources. Solution: saving bank interest is 8,000, fixed deposit interest 20,000, dividend 12,000, income from other source equals to rupees 40,000.
So very easy. This is the basic thing. People think it is very tough. But in big problems also, if you understand this, you can answer those also. Yeah, I have given 3 items, but there may be 30 items, there may be 10 items, there may be 7 items, and the problem becomes bigger. If you understand this, you can understand that also. But I don't want to confuse any student with giving a tough question at the beginning. I don't want to do that. That's why your understanding is very nice. And this knowledge will be used in the bigger problems. अच्छा, another question, कौन समझाएगा ये question? Illustration 2 कौन समझाएगा? Anybody? कौन समझाएगा? आ जाओ. भार्गव कहाँ गया? Okay, Shangita Thakuria, once again. There was another Shangita.
Yes, sir.
Problem 2, you explain.
Illustration 2. Problem. Mr. Neha received lottery prize 2,50,000, saving bank interest 6,000. Compute her income from other source. Solution. Particulars. Lottery prize amount 2,50,000. Particulars. Saving bank interest amount 6,000. Income from other source 2,56,000. Note, at this introductory level, ignore the special tax rate applicable to lottery winnings.
Those things I've ignored already. Means there are a lot of things about lottery. Those things, if I teach you, then you'll be confused. And so I have taken very simple way. That's what I make my own note. Okay, very nice. Now classroom activity कौन करेगा? कोई कौन है स्टूडेंट मैं देखता हूँ. अनुभूति.
Yes, sir.
Yes, बताओ. Classroom activity, you explain.
Income, head of income, salary from college, salary, rent from house property, grocery shop, profit, business or profession, sale of land, profit, capital gains, bank interest, other sources, lottery winnings, other sources, dividend, other sources, family pension, other sources.
Nobody has any doubt here. So I have given some incomes, and I have to, it may be coming to your question. You have to identify which income goes to which head. It's a very beautiful activity. I have given only one very small way, but in future you have to be able to identify which income goes to which head. This you have to understand. कौन कहाँ में जाएगा? This is a very good mental exercise, very small mental exercise. Anyway, अभी किसको बुलाएगा क्विज के लिए? किसको बुलाएगा? देखता हूँ कौन है. संगीता ठाकुरिया बोल दिया. और कौन है? वो तो मैं हूँ. रिंकी.
Yes, sir.
क्विज के बारे में तुम बताओ.
So there are quick quiz. Income from other sources is the residuary head of income. Then savings bank interest is generally taxable under income from
You
other
understand what is
sources.
residuary?
No, sir.
Residuary means after distributing in all other things, what is left behind? जो बच गया उसको बोलते हैं residuary.
Okay, sir.
जैसे एक heading, one heading is the salary, another heading house property, another heading profit, business profession, then capital gains. This except these 4, what is left is residuary. You understand now?
Okay, sir.
Residuary
Yes.
means what is left over, which is not
Okay.
applicable in any other head. This is residuary, means rest of the things, bad baki. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Chalo.
Then lottery winnings are taxable under income from other sources. The fourth one is dividend income is generally taxable under income from other sources. Then the fifth one is salary is not taxable under this head.
ठीक है? This steps quiz. I can organize quiz with you, taxation quiz. So it's not possible. So मैं छोटा सा quiz कर ही लिया तुम लोग के साथ. छोटा सा, because time is limited. And you understand these steps of, if you have your conceptions clear, you can do many things. You can do anything, any question. Now multiple choice question, you should check it yourself. You should do it in your assignment. See, I've given it, you read it. Any doubt you can ask me. This multiple choice question I've given you to a complete knowledge of income from other sources in 30 minutes only. So summary कौन पढ़ेगा? Summary किसको देगा? भास्कर, Again asking for Bhaskar. Bhargav. Okay, Muskan paro. Summary paro. Muskan.
Summary, income from other source is the fifth and residuary head of income under the
Do you
Income Tax
understand what
Act.
is residuary? Residuary means which is left over.
Oh, okay,
Means
sir.
there may be different types of incomes. Some incomes will go to salary, some will be going to house property, some will go to business profession, some will be going to say capital gains. And what is left over, which does not go to any head, that is known as residuary. And that is under income from other sources. Okay? IFOS, it comes under IFOS. That is residuary, is left over, bad baki. Chalo, pano.
It covers incomes that are not taxable under salary, house property, business or profession or capital gains. Common examples included saving bank interest, fixed deposit interest, dividend income, lottery winnings, family pension, interest on income tax refund. The basis computation is income from other source minus allowable deduction, where applicable, is equal to taxable income
So
from
this
other
becomes a
sources.
formula for you. In a very tiny way, I've given the formula. So you should go by this, and these assignments you have to do today only, so that you can give me tomorrow. These are the assignments. Problem 1, problem 2, I have given only two, yes, on 2 problems I have given you have to solve. And I have given you these theory questions which you have to write in your assignment. And remember, these assignments are the most important process through which you can learn, through which you can remember, you can practice. See, I have taught you very easily and you are very good students, so you have concentrated. That's why it becomes very easy. Otherwise, same thing becomes boring and tough. So take the benefit of this, and today itself, you finish off your homework. It will take another 2 hours maybe. Finish up and then enjoy the Sunday. So here I will stop the recording. And then, of course, I'll be talking to you once again. Your doubts, let me stop this recording first. Thank you very much.